Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to allow applications full access to our files in Samsung Galaxy S22. Where to find this option and how to turn it on. Some applications have it by default, but some does not. Let's go to settings, then we are looking for our apps. Yeah, here is applications menu, then three-dot menu at the top, special access, and all files access is here. As you can see, for example, our Bluetooth doesn't have every application access, so let's turn it on. I don't know who turned it off, maybe I did by mistake, and back out, and that's it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.